Okay, today we're going to put a doorknob in a closet door. The kit, when you go to the store and buy a doorknob, it comes with everything you need. And with doorknobs, the more you spend, the more you get. So you don't have to worry about spending too much on a doorknob, because if you spend too much, it's going to just be better. This is kind of a middle of the road one. And you can see it's got an adjustment for different size doors, because they come pre-cut oftentimes, and this is just a standard size. So we're just going to put this piece in first. And the doorknob kits, they always come with all the screws you need, but they come with these little teeny tiny screws. I don't know if you can see that, but they tend to strip out the wood and they don't really hold too well. So I always use bigger screws. It's not required, obviously, but this is it's a more solid install if you use a bigger screw. So I'm going to go ahead and put this part in. So I'm just going to recenter this. It kind of got a little crooked there for a minute. All right. So now we have to put this piece in, and to get this in, you got to push this in, and then that'll go like that. If you try to do it, if you just leave it like this, it kind of blocks it. It's because of the turning mechanism of the doorknob. So then you put the back side in, and this can be a little tricky to line up sometimes. And if you play with the lock or unlock function of the handle, for some reason that makes it easier to go in sometimes. So these screws, it's hard to find where they need to go. So you got to kind of feel, because you don't want to cross thread it. So it's best to start these out with your fingers, because if you just start trying to screw them in, it might ruin the threads. And for this job, it's best to have like an extra long screwdriver. It's easier to get around the handle. The handle can be removed, but you don't really need to. And these, you don't want to You want to get them in securely, but you don't want to get them too tight, because if you do it, it can make the doorknob hard to work. So this part's all done. Now I just need to put this piece into the door jamb. And that looks like it went in pretty good. If you can see here, I had to chisel away the wood a little bit, because this part is kind of bent. So I just used you know, just a common chisel. I just chiseled it away. I'll paint over it later so it looks better. But there we go. We got the doorknob installed and the other piece into the door jamb. I don't know what it's called, but we'll see how it works. Looks like it's working pretty good. And it locks. I don't know why a closet door would have a lock, but this one does. So there we go. I'll show you the kit I got. So I got a quick set kit over at Menards, and again, the more you're willing to spend, the better piece of hardware you're going to get. There's a lot of things you can do to your house where spending more money doesn't really add much improvement, but when it comes to a doorknob, it's definitely worth your extra money. So I'd recommend that. Oh, it comes with a set of keys too. Again, I don't know why they put locks on closet doors, but let's see if the keys work. Yeah, the keys work. I don't know what I'm going to do with them. But hey, so if you guys like the video, or any of my videos for that matter, hit that like button and let the commercials run if you don't mind. That helps support the channel. And don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.